Coming up in the next episode of Voice of Care, I'm speaking with Philip Luce, CEO at the Bupa Cromwell Hospital. We're discussing the bounce back of the independent acute sector from the COVID period, its expansion with new entrants to the market, and its potentially larger role given the government's Elective Recovery Task Force report.
It's really important that as a hospital we continue to innovate and we continue to adopt new technology. Patients expect it and consultants expect it, and we want to attract the leaders in from a consulting perspective, and it's really important that we provide them the right tools to be able to provide the best possible care. If I think back over the last couple of years, the kind of technology that we've invested in, we have a partnership with Genesis Care to provide radiotherapy. We've invested in the VUA MR Linac, and that combines MRI kind of diagnostic capability with the Linac for the delivery of radiotherapy. And what that allows you to do is kind of real term bring those two platforms together, and that can really deliver incredible treatment for patients, especially where they have moving organs. So if you're treating someone with a lung cancer, for example, and as they breathe in and out, the radiotherapy treatment can change with that. We have been working with Insight to look at 3D modelling. So we could take a kidney CT scan, for example, normally a 2D image, that can be turned into a 3D model. A consultant can have a laptop in theatre alongside them. They can see a tumour that they might be resecting in that 3D model. They can potentially import that into the Da Vinci Xi robot as well, and I think it gives them an extra window to kind of, or extra set of information that they can then look at whilst they're doing that operation. Or there are other digital solutions. So we've recently kind of partnered with Vine Health to collect patient data around 4 cancer pathways. So we've got a head and neck, hepatobiliary, colorectal, and breast cancer are the pathways that we're working on.
So join me, Sahel Mirza, with Philip Luce on the next episode of Voices of Care.